Hi, my name is Richard Karambokas, and today I'll be showing you how to promote Windows Server 2008 to a domain controller, as well as joining another computer to the same domain. Now for this tutorial, I'll be joining Windows Vista to the Windows Server 2008 domain. Now first you have to add Server 2008 to the domain, to a domain. So you're gonna click Start, and in the search bar you're gonna type in DC Promo. Select Enter. As you can see, Active Directory domain services are being installed. Alright, now that that's finished installed, you'll see this pop-up screen come up saying welcome to the Active Directory Domain Services installation wizard. Okay, so you'll go ahead and click next. You click next again, then you select create a new domain in New Forest. You select next, and here is where you'll name the domain. So I'll just name it richard.com. Then you'll select next, and it's checking to see whether the New Forest name is already in use. Right, now you see Forest functional level. So I'll just go ahead and select Windows Server 2008. Then you click next. Then next again. Then you select yes. Then you'll select next again. And here you'll give a password. Give the administrator a password. So I'll go ahead and type in a password. Just confirm password. Right, then you select next, next again, and you'll see this box come up. This will show that waiting for DNS installation to finish. And when this is finished, you'll just select reboot on completion. And once this finishes, your VM would restart. right? And as you can see, Windows Server 2000 it is shutting down and restarting. Yeah. Yes. Right. Now that you see that Windows Server 8 is restarted, I'll just log back in. And as you can see, the server 8 has been promoted to domain controller. So I'll just type in the password. Okay, now that we're in, I'm going to check to see if Windows Server 2008 was promoted. So I'm going to click Start. I'm just checking to make sure that it was promoted. And then I'm going to go to Network. As you can see, Windows Server 2008 is no longer workgroup is Richard, which is the name I gave it. So I'm just gonna minimize that for now. Let's X off this. I'm gonna go to Start. Hold on. Why this popping up now for? Let's X off that. Right, so I'm gonna go to Start, Administrative Tools, and I'm going to select Active Directory Users and Computers. So I'm clicking that. Right, so I'm going to right click on the domain, and I'm going to select new computer, that is. And here I'm going to name the computer to be added, which is Windows Vista. And then you'll select OK. Right, and now I'm going to go to Windows Vista to add it to the domain. So you go on Windows Vista, click Start, and you right click on computer, select properties, and then you're going to select change settings, click continue, and you're going to select the domain, hold on, I'm just gonna check something real quick. Right, so the domain name is richard.com, that is. And then you're going to select OK. Sorry what I said before, that was a mistake. In this one, you're supposed to select change, member of domain, and then you'll type in the name of the domain. Name of the domain, which is richard.com, and then you'll select OK, and immediately it will ask you to enter the name and password of an account with permission to join the domain. So you'll go ahead and do that. So I'll just type in administrator and the password. And now select OK. And you can see welcome to the richard.com domain. So you select OK, and now you'll have to restart your machine. So you select OK. Let's just close all of that and just X off this and restart now, right? And when this restarts, Windows Vista should be added to the domain. So I'll just wait for it to restart now. Okay, now it's restarted. Let me just log back in. And as you can see, you'll see Windows Vista PC, Windows Vista. I'll type in the password. Right, sorry about that. Okay, I'll just X off all of this. Right, so I'm gonna select Start and select Network, and Network. Let me just fix this little problem that I have up here. and you're seeing right. So I'll just come out of this. I'll go into network and sharing center. Right. As you can see, it's connected to richard.com, the domain. And now I'm going to go back in server 2008 to see if it has been added to the domain. So I'm just going to click network. And as you can see, Windows Vista PC, the workgroup has changed to a domain, which is Richard. And that is how you promote Windows Server 2008 to a domain, as well as add another virtual machine to the domain.